I think my exact response was like, blah.
And then it was followed up with me saying, gin is great. Olivia saying, gin tastes like paint thinner. And me saying, hey, great gin tastes like great paint thinner. Hi guys, I'm Arleo. Welcome to the Kitchen Drink, where we're raiding your fridges and making some delicious crafty cocktails. And happy Valentine's Day! We're back in this apartment. You may recognize it from episodes 1, episode Halloween, and episode Christmas. This time we're with Alexa!
Hi!
Alexa took over Aubrey's spot here, so we're hanging out with her today. Unlike Olivia and Aubrey, Alexa actually doesn't drink. Would you like to share any particular reasons you decide not to drink?
So I don't drink because a lot of my family members have had issues with alcohol in the past. Also, a few of us have kind of obsessive personalities. I always just kind of thought it would be a bit dangerous for me to drink. I didn't want to risk it. I found that I can have fun without alcohol. Friends actually say that I get proxy drunk when I'm around a lot of drunk people. It's not that I won't remember what I've done, it's more that I hope everybody else doesn't remember what I've done.
So at these little get-togethers with like Olivia, Aubrey, the rest of our friends, I make sure to make something that's just as gorgeous as a cocktail for you. Do you vaguely remember like what is your favorite that I've made for you? Something interesting?
Can't really remember exactly what it's called. Definitely had some really good non-alcoholic things that are made of something sparkly, something with berries, shaken up in something fancy and then poured into a glass so it looks really nice. There was something on top. It may have been like a fake flower or something.
It was probably an herb.
Herbs, yeah.
Either an herb or just berries skewered together with herbs to look like a flower.
Yeah, it may have been that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You ready for me to raid this fridge once again?
Yes.
All right, cool. In the same old fridge, got some new decor, and Olivia comes home from work. Yay! For the drink, we're gonna try some new stuff. This fig spread, some lemon curd, which I've never had before, and some apple juice. We could try hummus, but I've done that before. And normally I love apple cider vinegar in drinks, but we already have apple juice. We're gonna get the kettle boiling so we can get this tea blend ready for this mocktail. Alexa has a lot of teas for me to choose from. Gonna try to select the most interesting sounding ones. Boiling water, little tea strainer, and we wait. For about 5 minutes so that we can properly steep this tea. I'm okay with overbrewing it a little bit since we're trying to mimic some of the harshness that you can find in alcohol. While we're in the last minutes of steeping, we're going to put together the fig spread with the lemon curd and the apple juice. This tea blend is toasty, and what are jiggers made of? Metal. So put that down as fast as I can and get some ice in there, and there we have it. Let's see what Alexa thinks. Doopy doopy doop doop doop. I actually have 2 things for you to taste. I know you love tea.
Love tea.
Everybody found out how much you love tea. And so first, I wanted to see how well can you pick out what teas are in the mixture that I made for you.
Okay.
I will give you one hint. There are 3 different teas in there.
Oh, the rose one's in there. I think the rose one's in there. I know this one because I knew what it was. That's the peach cobbler one. I don't know what the third one is. I have no idea.
It's okay. I am thoroughly impressed you got the first 2 right off.
I recognize the color of that thing.
So I tasted this by myself just to see how this all blended together because I'm not a tea connoisseur. I could not, I should not do that while you have hot water for a spit take. So I could not taste the rose petal black.
Okay.
Organic peach cobbler Tazo tea, I think is the most subtle of all 3. Lavender Earl Grey. All right, time to go to the actual drink.
Okay.
Back from the bar. You guessed pretty much all the teas. I'm assuming you're gonna be able to guess what's in here too.
We'll see. Oh, there's definitely lemon curd.
She's getting everything.
I'm gonna guess apple juice, but I'm not sure. It's really good. It's really good. I feel like I should have said that before. It's very... Maybe some honey, maybe some of the caramel stuff.
I like how proper you drink it too. Honestly, with everything in there, if you guessed that 3rd one, I'd be really surprised because it's a little bit more mellow.
So there's something sweet in there, but I'm not sure what it is. It almost looks creamy, so I feel like you might have added some of the almond milk, but I don't know if that's true or if that's just the combination of other ingredients.
You ready to find out?
Yes.
Cool. I know we revealed it earlier. The base spirit of this drink, a blend of teas. I personally love using teas when I do my mocktails because it adds that same sort of acrid, bitter texture and flavor that you get with alcohol sometimes. Alcohol obviously has its own mild sweetness, but with the burn of alcohol, it's more similar with the bitter taste of teas. She was 2 for 3 on that tea taste. I thought I was gonna stumble her, and I have egg on my face now, which is not one of the ingredients, by the way. The main juice component we have apple juice. Usually I use like an apple cider vinegar because it turns things into a shrub. It's basically a fruit syrup preserved with vinegar. I use the apple juice with a slightly acidic ingredient, which She also guessed, you're too good at this game. Lemon curd! No, that's too scary. This is delicious. Oh my god.
Yeah.
I didn't want to just down this whole jar.
It's delicious. I will just eat it by the spoon.
Same boat. So like I said, with its slight acidity, it sort of turns into a apple cider shrub. Well, quotes. There is one ingredient you didn't guess. It's Dalmatia fig spread.
Ooh.
I like figs a lot. It's weird though. I chose figs kind of for a specific reason. It is the Valentine's Day week. Greeks and Romans are weird. They thought everything was an aphrodisiac, including celery for some odd reason.
Really?
Yeah, I'm not 100% sure why. Figs are another fruit that was considered like romantic and aphrodisiac type thing, so felt appropriate for the holiday of the month. Okay, now that you know there's fig in there, can you taste it at all?
I don't think I can really taste it specifically. I think it's kind of like melded with the other flavors to just make a nice like fruity flavor.
To be fair, I put a lot of lemon curd in there because that stuff is delicious.
It's so good.
So guys, I almost said Arleo. So guys, that's Alexa's kitchen drink, where we put in everything but the kitchen sink. Remember to drink responsibly. Bye!
Actually, we don't have to drink responsibly with this stuff unless you're worried about the caffeine.
Oh. Remember, you can drink irresponsibly if you're drinking just tea. It's also too hot sometimes, so you can't drink it that. Oh, wait, no. Don't drink tea irresponsibly. I don't want you all getting mouth burns from the tea.